everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. Today we're going to make an all-time favorite Kung Pao chicken. Now let me tell you, it is impressive that Panda Express makes a delicious Kung Pao chicken, but this recipe is going to bring it to a next level. You're not going to be able to stop eating until your whole plate is empty. So now let's get started. Let's start with preparing the chicken breast. We need to chop it into 1/2 to 1/4 inch pieces. Cut into strips first, then chop into the smaller pieces. Then we're going to marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, some salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, white pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of potato starch. I'll link the detailed ingredients in the description. Mix it up and marinate for about 15 minutes. Next, we're going to prepare the other ingredients for Kung Pao chicken. We have 1 handful of dry chili, cut into slices and shake out the seeds. 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn. This will give you a slight tingle on your tongue. A 1/2 cup of fried peanuts. You can also use cashew nuts for this dish. Then we're going to chop the white part of the green onion, sliced ginger, and garlic, just like magic. Next, we're going to make the Kung Pao sauce. To make the traditional Kung Pao sauce, combine sugar, vinegar, Shaoxing wine, potato starch, sesame oil, light soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. I highly recommend following the proportion in the recipe to achieve the classic lychee flavor. Mix the sauce until all the ingredients are fully blended and we're ready to cook. Use 4 tablespoons of oil, drop in Sichuan peppercorn and dry chilies. Stir until color darkens but not burn the chilies. Add in marinated chicken. Stir to separate. This can take about 2 to 3 minutes. Drop in sliced garlic and scallion whites. Stir fry until you smell the fragrant flavor fill up the whole kitchen. Now the chicken should be just cooked. Give the Kung Pao sauce a good stir and add in the wok. Stir fry until the sauce thickens and nicely covers the chicken. Drop in the peanuts. Mix well and serve. Now you have it, hot, freshly made Kung Pao chicken. It is golden brown and almost shiny. This is just going to impress any guest you have. The chicken is cooked to perfection and everything is covered in the beautiful Kung Pao sauce. Alright guys, now the best part, the taste test. I am beyond excited today because this just looks and smells the next level, like beyond next level. So I cannot wait. Let's give it a try. The chicken is so tender and it has a perfect blend of sweet and sourness. We call this lychee flavor in Sichuan cuisine. And it's just a perfect combination and it's so tasty. Let's try a peanut. So crunchy and it's covered by the Kung Pao sauce and it's so good. I hope you guys give this recipe a try because I promise you, you're gonna love it as much as I do. This is so much better than takeout. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks so much for hanging. I will see you next time.